Okay, today let us look at this product. Nice packing by Gazette Nepal suppliers. Nice safe bubble pack. And also nice packing of this product. There is a hanger as well here, like this. So this is the product, Type C to HDMI, and it supports both 4K and SD. USB-C OTG host, data cable USB 3.1 hub, Type C male to female adapter, USD for MacBook Air. So let us open. It's all sealed pack, yeah. So this is the product itself. USB Type C to female HDMI, okay, standard size, okay, standard full size HDMI, USB Type C and standard full size HDMI female. And now what we'll be doing with this is I'll be connecting this one end with my HDMI cable here. Just align and connect, okay. It is connected here. And another end with HDMI to USB 3.0 capture card here. Align and connect. And this USB Type C will go in my mobile, yeah. Yeah. Now let us move to the computer and also what I am supposed to do. Okay, here I have my mobile. Here USB type C to standard female HDMI. Yeah. And here my setup. Okay, HDMI to USB 3.0 video capture card and this HDMI to HDMI cable. Okay, full size standard HDMI. Okay, both this. So I have connected here, and now let me connect this also, and let me connect this to my laptop. Now let me connect this USB type C to my mobile. I can see my mobile display. Yeah. So the display of my mobile is not mirroring. Okay, by this connection. I thought I could capture my display of my mobile, but I couldn't. And in this same setting, if I connect my DSLR, let's see the display will come here or not. So you can see I have DSLR here and the display of my DSLR is showing here, and in the same connection I will try now with mobile. Okay, with this. Okay, no, the display didn't came. And if I connect this same again with my DSLR, the DSLR screen will be shown here. Yeah, you see the DSLR screen is shown but not the mobile screen. Okay, so this USB type C to HDMI is not showing display. Okay, on OBS I was planning to record a screen and live stream via mobile, but this way simply didn't work.